Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the culinary world with 40 amazing kitchen gadgets that you probably didn't know existed, but will absolutely change the way you cook and prepare food. Let's get started. Herb stripper. First up is the herb stripper. This handy tool makes quick work of stripping leaves from woody stems, saving you time and effort when prepping fresh herbs for your dishes. Vegetable and cheese shredder. Next, we have the vegetable and cheese shredder. This versatile gadget allows you to shred both vegetables and cheese effortlessly, giving your dishes that perfect texture without the hassle. Electric jar opener. Our third gadget is the electric jar opener, an essential for anyone struggling with stubborn jar lids. Just place the device on the lid, push a button, and watch it do the hard work for you. Corn stripper. Now, let's talk about the corn stripper. If you love corn on the cob but hate the struggle of cutting the kernels off, this tool is your new best friend. Mango slicer. Mango lovers, rejoice! The mango slicer is designed to cut through the hard pit and slice the fruit into perfect halves without the mess. Axe pizza cutter. Ready for a fun twist on pizza night? Check out the Axe pizza cutter. This unique design not only makes slicing pizza a breeze, but also adds a playful vibe to your kitchen. Multifunctional spoon. Next is the multifunctional spoon, a true culinary powerhouse. This innovative gadget combines multiple functions like stirring, measuring, and even serving. Snack slicer. Snack enthusiasts, meet the snack slicer. This gadget allows you to effortlessly slice fruits, vegetables, and even cheese into perfect snack-sized pieces. Egg white separator. Coming in at number 9 is the egg white separator, a must-have for anyone who loves baking or cooking with eggs. This gadget quickly separates yolks from whites, ensuring no mess or hassle. Anti-gravity water humidifier. Next up is the anti-gravity water humidifier, a stylish addition to your kitchen. This unique design creates an enchanting display while keeping the air in your kitchen perfectly humidified. Garlic press. Our 11th gadget is the garlic press, an essential for any garlic lover. This tool crushes garlic cloves effortlessly, releasing their flavorful oils for your dishes. Lemon squeezer. Up next is the lemon squeezer. This gadget simplifies extracting juice from lemons, limes, and other citrus fruits without wasting a drop. Butter cutter. Have you ever struggled with cutting cold butter? The butter cutter is here to save the day. This gadget allows you to cut uniform slices of butter straight from the fridge without the mess. Palm peeler. Say hello to the palm peeler, an ergonomically designed tool that makes peeling fruits and vegetables a breeze. Simply hold it in the palm of your hand for maximum control and comfort. Watermelon slicer. Now, we have the watermelon slicer, the ultimate tool for summer gatherings. This gadget slices your watermelon into perfect wedges with just a simple push. Drinks dispenser. First on our list is the drinks dispenser, perfect for parties or family gatherings. With its easy pour spout, serving drinks has never been smoother. Handheld grater. Next, we have the handheld grater, a compact yet powerful tool for grating cheese, vegetables, or even zesting citrus. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use while keeping your fingers safe. Under cabinet jar opener. Say goodbye to stubborn jars with the under cabinet jar opener. Installed under your kitchen cabinet, it provides effortless access to open jars. Popcorn maker. Movie nights just got an upgrade with the popcorn maker. This gadget pops kernels quickly and efficiently, allowing you to enjoy fresh popcorn whenever you want. Magnetic measuring spoon set. Up next is the magnetic measuring spoon set, which keeps your measuring spoons organized and easily accessible. The spoons snap together with magnets, ensuring you won't lose a single one. Electric cleaning brush set. The electric cleaning brush set is a must-have for anyone who loves a clean kitchen. These brushes save you time and effort tackling tough stains and grime with ease. Triple Meatball Maker. For all the meatball lovers out there, check out the Triple Meatball Maker. This ingenious gadget allows you to create perfectly shaped meatballs in just minutes. Countertop Ice Maker. Summer's calling with the Countertop Ice Maker. This gadget produces ice cubes quickly and efficiently, perfect for those hot days when you need a chilled drink. The Vegetable Chopper and Fruit Slicer. The Vegetable Chopper and Fruit Slicer is here to revolutionize your meal prep. With various attachments, it can chop, slice, and dice in. Food Mill. Up next is the Food Mill, perfect for creating smooth purees and sauces. This versatile gadget helps you process fruits and vegetables with ease, ideal for making homemade baby food or tomato sauce. Strawberry and Tomato Core Remover. Meet the Strawberry and Tomato Core Remover, a specialized tool that makes removing stems and cores a breeze. Just press and twist, and you'll have perfectly prepped fruit and veggies. Household Thawing Machine. Tired of waiting for food to thaw? With the Household Thawing Machine, you can defrost frozen items in record time. This clever gadget uses heat conduction to speed up the thawing process safely. Noodle Spoon. Next, we have the Noodle Spoon, a unique tool designed for scooping and serving pasta. It features a specially crafted design to grip noodles without them slipping away. Watering Can Juicer. Introducing the Watering Can Juicer, a fun and efficient way to extract juice from fruits. Just squeeze and pour, and you'll have fresh juice without the fuss. Manual Food Chopper. Now, we have the Manual Food Chopper, the ideal tool for quickly chopping vegetables, nuts, or herbs. Just pull the cord and watch it chop to your desired consistency. Silicone Kneading Bag. First up is the Silicone Kneading Bag, an innovative tool for bakers. This reusable bag lets you knead dough without the mess, keeping your hands clean and your workspace tidy. Stainless Steel Collapsible Steamer. Next, we have the Stainless Steel Collapsible Steamer, perfect for steaming vegetables or dumplings. Its collapsible design ensures it takes up minimal space in your kitchen when not in use. Donut Cutter. Craving homemade donuts? The Donut Cutter will make your dreams come true. This simple yet effective tool allows you to cut perfect donut shapes out of dough quickly and easily. Silicone Food Storage Bag. Meet the Silicone Food Storage Bag, an eco-friendly alternative to plastic bags. This reusable bag is great for storing leftovers, marinating, or even sous vide cooking. Egg Dispenser. Keeping your eggs organized has never been easier thanks to the Egg Dispenser. This handy gadget holds eggs securely and allows you to grab one at a time without the risk of breakage. Crab-shaped silicone spatula holder. We have the adorable crab-shaped silicone spatula holder. This quirky kitchen accessory keeps your spatula off the counter while you're cooking, preventing messes. Honey Dispenser. Say goodbye to sticky jars with the Honey Dispenser. This convenient tool makes pouring honey easy and mess-free, so you can drizzle the perfect amount every time. Penguin-shaped silicone kitchen scraper. Check out the penguin-shaped silicone kitchen scraper, a fun and functional companion in your kitchen. This cute gadget is perfect for scraping bowls clean and ensuring you get every bit of your mixture. 360-degree rotating tap faucet. The 360-degree rotating tap faucet offers incredible flexibility for your kitchen sink. With its ability to rotate in any direction, you can easily fill pots, wash fruits, or clean your sink effortlessly. Waterproof plastic sink organizer. Finally, we have the waterproof plastic sink organizer, designed to keep your sink area tidy. This clever organizer holds sponges, brushes,